Just ripping off this reed screening pile here. The wind just wrecks it. So I've ripped off all that's remaining. A bit behind the bamboo to do that. And I'm actually avoiding doing this bit, I'll just leave that for the time being. I think I'm going to have to move the shed over a bit. So I've got all the fence panels from pallets that I cut to size and I've painted them all. And I've bought some lengths of 6-foot fencing slats. So let's see what I come up with. Take approximately what feels like 1,000,000 of these 27 inches long bits of pallet and give them 2 coats each side of Ronseal slate is what I'm using. Slowly getting there. Here's a timber framed planter I'm building. This is just the skeleton of the structure, just built of leftover fence panels and a couple of other bits of pallets. Here we go, I left the worst bit to last. Managed to get right up the side of the shed, but from the other side, so I don't have to move the shed. This is approximately 30 foot long by 5 foot high. I've almost finished the planter. I've clad it in some wider decking, not wider decking strips, wider pallet slats. I've stained it again with a light 1 coat of the Ronseal slate, then I've went over it with some chrome paint just to give it some effect. I've fired a fern in there just now that I had in another planter, and I don't actually know what I'm doing in here. I'll stick something else in. Compost is all out of my compost bin. Cost wise, 36 foot by 6 inch slats, like these ones. They were about £2 each, so say £60. I've got 2 of these 5 inch by 4.5 metre lengths. Just finishing off the top. That's plain, so it was a bit dearer. That was £25 for 2 of them. And there's a small section at about 4 foot long in the end. So that's £85. That was about £20 in screws. It's about 800 stainless screws holding this together. Paint was about £25 maybe. I used about 15 litres of Ronseal. So bargain. It would have cost double obviously if I hadn't used the pallet wood. I never actually counted how many of them I used, but as I said, it felt like 1,000. Well, thanks for watching, take it easy.